Hey everyone! It is Michael here. Today, we're going to show you an incredibly simple way to password protect your pendrive. If you want to keep your data safe and secure, this video is for you. Let's get started. First, insert your pendrive into the USB port on your computer. Wait for it to be recognized and open it in File Explorer. If you're using Windows, one of the easiest ways to password protect your pendrive is by using BitLocker. To do this, right-click on your pendrive, show More Options and select Turn on BitLocker. BitLocker Drive encryption window will pop up. Check the box that says Use a password to unlock the drive and enter your desired password. Then, click Next. Next, you'll need to save your recovery key. You can save it to your Microsoft account, a file, or print it. Choose the option that works best for you and click Next. Now, choose how much of your drive you want to encrypt. If it's a new drive, you can encrypt the used disk space only. If it's an old drive with data, you might want to encrypt the entire drive. Select your preferred option and click Next. Finally, choose the encryption mode. The new encryption mode is more secure, so we recommend using it if you're not planning to use the pendrive with older versions of Windows. Click Next and then click Start Encrypting. Wait for the encryption process to complete. This might take some time depending on the size of your pendrive. Once it's done, your pendrive is now password protected. And that's it. Password protecting your pendrive is that simple. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.